How to chat on Reddit. Hello and welcome to Tech It's Simple. I'm up with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can chat on Reddit. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and in the search bar, type reddit.com to enter the official website of Reddit. You will reach this page after browsing. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, at the top right, you will find various options where you'll find the messaging icon. Next to this arrow icon, which says Open Chat, click on this option and a window will appear at the bottom. From here, you can chat with other Reddit users. You can click on the Start New Chat option and type the username of the person you want to chat with. If the username you type is valid, you will find the Start button option. Click on Start and you will be able to chat with that Reddit user. Also, you can chat with users by using the Reddit application. If you have created an account on the Reddit application, by clicking on it, you'll find Reddit users having the Reddit application, and from there, you can chat with other Redditors or Reddit users. So, in this way, you can chat on Reddit. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.